sodium olivate, glycerin, sodium lauryl sulfate. These are all ingredients that can be found in soaps. But how do you know which ones are safe for your skin? Hi, my name is Stevie Lomas. I'm the founder and CEO of the Camel Soap Factory, a manufacturer of quality and safe handmade soaps made with wonderful regional ingredients. The top 3 things to look out for when you're looking at soap ingredients are sodium, followed by the word of an oil with an 8 at the end. So sodium olivate would mean that the soap is made probably with olive oil. Sodium tallowate means that the base that's being used is tallow. Generally, these are safe for the skin. Antibacterial, Triclosan, banned in many countries across the world, but still widely available in antibacterial soaps. Triclosan has been banned because it's a hormone disruptor and can cause cancer. Finally, SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, is a harsh chemical detergent and foaming agent that has a caustic action and is very, very bad for the skin. At the Camel Soap Factory, we aim to craft natural products using wonderful regional ingredients that are kind to your skin and kind to the planet. For more information, come to our website. We'd love to hear from you.